Hello guys, happy new year. So we are in the year of 2025, and for me a lot is shifting, and in a good way. So if you notice from the title of my video, you may be wondering and interested, hopefully, in how I'm letting God rebrand me and my small channel. And if you've been here for a little while, you also may notice that the name of my channel has changed. It's different, y'all. All right, so basically, well, stick around and I'll tell you all about it. I'm trying to avoid this sun, so just remind me if I move around. So, all right, so I'll start with my channel name and then further explain why I changed it and how that relates to God ultimately rebranding me and the channel. So my channel name was originally Fit Mama, and now as you can see, it's Blesd Movement, and it's different in the content, but it's not super different. But when I first started the channel, I had in mind to make videos for moms, basically trying to improve themselves through fitness and overall well-being, which I believe is a great vision, and I still plan on doing stuff like that, but it just catered more to a larger crowd. So I'm a mom of two, and naturally I would have a soft spot for moms, because I know exactly the struggles that we've gone through, body-wise, lifestyle-wise. Like, if you're a mom, you know firsthand it can be pretty drastic, the changes that we go through. So being that I love dance with a passion, and I have worked in fitness for a while now, for a couple of years, I wanted to help out in that area. But God had other plans, I believe, because I couldn't shake it for the life of me. It just seemed like for 3 years, God had been calling me to just take a different, not different completely, but a different approach to things. So I felt and I feel God moving me to put solely Christian faith-based fitness content as well as movement through dance on my channel, which is now called Blesd Movement. So if you've been here, you probably saw that I had already started sort of combining my faith with my fitness content when I started, but I felt a deeper conviction that God wanted me to do more than that, not just the fluffy surface level stuff. And the reason I resisted for a while is because I've had the name Fit Mama for a long time. I think over 7-8 years possibly. And it's hard. It's like your baby. Even though I didn't go very far with it because I didn't put as much effort as I should have. This year, actually, last year I wanted to put in a lot of effort, but it's just, ugh. So I felt God bringing me to something different, like ministry. And the reason I felt somehow about this because I don't feel qualified. I mean, and when you answer that call, you're entering a space where judgment is, and if you know what I mean, you know what I mean. It's a lot of pressure. So I was trying to avoid it, but God just wouldn't let me go. And what I mean by that is that I didn't have peace about my plans, my channel, business plans. Things would always somehow kind of put me in a position where it was hard to stay consistent. The idea kept popping up in my head consistently, which made me confused a lot of the time about how to move forward. But thankfully, 2024 was a wonderful year for me in growth wise, personally and spiritually. And I had started, putting in more effort with growing in my knowledge of the Bible, the things of the Bible, and also my relationship with God in general. So God took me on a journey in 2024 that I'm so grateful for, and it really fueled my fire because that's what I had been praying for a while, because I had been feeling like really lukewarm and like I didn't have the passion that I did, I wanted. I wanted more passion for the things of God. So God took me on that journey, and at the end of it, honestly, it's not the end of it, but like I came to the point where I really want to go all in for Jesus. And thus Blesd Movement has been born. So what you'll start to see more of on this channel is faith stuff, fitness and dance, and maybe some other things as well. But overall, movement and faith. And it's for everyone, not just moms. Anybody is allowed to join in. And so if you stuck around till this point of the video, that's it. All right. So if you like this idea of what I'm going to be bringing to the channel, I would encourage you, please stick around. Love to have you. I would love to have you on this journey with me. And if you're not so sure, I still encourage you to stick around because there's a lot that we can learn from each other. And it would be great to have you guys on this journey with me. And honestly, I am super excited about this journey that I'm about to take with the channel. I'm also really nervous as well because I don't want to fail. But yeah, so if you made it to the end of the video, thank you for sticking around to hear what I had to say. And if you happen to like this video, you guys know what you can do. You can like by thumbs upping. You can leave me a comment, give me some tips. And if you're interested in the future content, you know, you can always subscribe. So you know what's coming next, okay? And I have a fitness challenge coming up soon that is faith-based. So if you're interested in that, definitely want to subscribe so you don't miss that notification. And so yeah, that's basically that. That's the end of the video. Thank you guys for sticking with me. I'm still trying to avoid the sun because it's hot. It's not hot, but it's, yeah, whatever. The sun is blazing in my face. Thank you guys so much for sticking with the video and watching me ramble. But yeah, I don't believe that taking a chance with God will put me in the wrong direction. It will only bring me to where I need to be. Even if it's hard, I trust that God has good plans for me. So that's why I'm just letting him rebrand me however he leads me. And I believe that however, if I do my part, I believe God is able, more than able to do his part. So again, Happy New Year. God bless. And I hope to see you guys on my journey with this channel and what I have in store for it. Bye.